May motor show na naman mga boss, so ang nag-private ngayon is Elementrix. Bali dito po sa Plaza Calasiao, gaganapin. So ngayon nga pala nilapag ko yung dalawang motor ko, si Wobble at si Current. So ayan po sila mga boss. So ayan po yung mga kasama natin dito sa show. At dahil kukunti lang kaming lumapag dito mga boss, bibigyan na lang namin kayo ng konting montage.
This West Coast, where niggas gang bang the most. Nigga, this West Coast, nigga, this West Coast, where niggas bodies get soaked. Try not to get smoked, nigga, this West Coast.
When Timbo is in the party, everybody put up their hands. I get a half a mil for my beats, you get a couple.
You have one shot on stage, what you got to play? Generic drops for days, still the people rage. Am I not insane? Can you stop and explain why these drops are so lame? Is money buying you fame? I'm fucking on, I'm killing it with this song. You haters can sing along or go back where you belong. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with giving up, moving on. Cause I took your girl to prom, she can't help but sing this song. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth.
So ayun lang po mga boss, sayang lang at medyo hindi maganda yung event na nasamahan natin ngayon dito sa Calasiao. So ayan kahit paano nakakuha naman tayo ng tig-3 trophy.